Hey everyone, Matthias here, and today we are opening the 7-in-1 USB-C dongle from ANKER. So in the box we first have some instructions in this little tray, and I will find it nice how it's like happy, like this question for the instructions. Then we have the dongle itself, which is kind of weird to take out, but we later found it has a hole in the back, so that's nice. And so it says ANKER on top. It's fully metal, except for the cable, of course. And on one side we have two USB-A 3.0, so it's 5 gigabits per second. On the other side we have one HDMI, one SD and micro SD readers, and only power delivery USB-C. So it is up to 100 watts in, but only 85 out because it uses 15 watts. And at the back we have this RJ45 normal Ethernet board. Then a nice detail is this little bag, which is kind of leather feeling, but not really leather. It's like a thick cloth. So that's very nice. And yeah, this is the one. We got another one. It says ANKER on it, and it's very nice to store it when it's not in use. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you want any more tips on this dongle, you can just ask us below on the comments. There is also a link below. See you on the next one. Bye bye.